If you're getting ready for a deep clean but not sure which tools are actually worth having, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm reviewing 5 of the best spring cleaning tools you can use right now. I'll break down how well they clean, how easy they are to use, and which ones actually save you time so you can build a setup that works for your home. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe Carpet Cleaner Machine for Carpet and Upholstery. Deep cleaning carpet shampooer machine with multi-purpose tools, pair with Hoover Carpet Cleaner Solution. If you're a U.S. homeowner or renter, chances are you've dealt with carpet stains, kids spilling juice, pets tracking in mud, or just years of everyday dirt. The Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe is one of the most popular deep cleaning carpet shampooers in American households because it's reliable, effective, and designed specifically for residential use. What this product is best known for in the US market is its ability to deep clean carpets and upholstery without professional help. Unlike simple steam cleaners, the Power Scrub uses rotating brushes combined with hot water and cleaning solution to lift dirt, stains, and pet hair embedded deep in fibers. That's why it's a top pick for families with kids or pets who want a cleaner, fresher home. In real-world use, this cleaner shines when removing stubborn carpet stains from juice, wine, or coffee. Cleaning pet accidents on rugs or carpets. Refreshing area rugs that have accumulated dust and dirt. Deep cleaning upholstered furniture like couches and armchairs. One of its biggest strengths for U.S. buyers is the multi-purpose tools that come included. The upholstery tool, crevice tool, and larger carpet brushes make it easy to clean stairs, tight spaces, and furniture, not just floors. The tank system is also designed for easy filling, dumping, and rinsing, important when you're dealing with gallons of cleaning solution. Number 2. TUYU Electric Spin Scrubber, Full Body IPX7 Waterproof Bathroom Scrubber with Power LCD Display, Adjustable Extension Handle, Cordless Shower Cleaner Brush for Bathtub Kitchen Wall Cleaning. The TUYU Electric Spin Scrubber targets a completely different audience in the US, homeowners or renters focused on hard surface cleaning rather than carpets. It's specifically built for bathrooms, tubs, showers, tiles, and kitchen surfaces where scrubbing by hand is tiring and time-consuming. This system is best known in the US for its cordless design, waterproof construction, and adjustable extension handle. That combination lets you reach high tiles, shower walls, or under sinks without bending over or straining your wrists. It's especially popular among Americans who want to save time and effort on chores. In real-world US use, it's perfect for removing soap scum from shower doors and tiles. Cleaning tubs and sinks without back strain. Scrubbing kitchen counters, backsplashes, and stovetops. Tackling grout buildup in bathrooms. The IPX7 waterproof rating ensures it can handle wet environments without worry, making it safe to use in showers or even rinse directly underwater. The multiple brush heads also let you swap between surfaces, whether you need a small detail brush or a larger circular brush for tubs. Strengths for American buyers include ergonomics and versatility. The adjustable extension handle reduces strain, and the cordless battery operation removes the hassle of cords. It's also lightweight compared to traditional floor or carpet machines, making it easy to store in small bathrooms or closets. The cons? Battery life can limit long cleaning sessions, especially if you have multiple bathrooms. And while it's strong for tiles and tubs, it won't replace a vacuum or deep carpet cleaner, so it's very surface specific. Number 3. Swiffer Power Mop Multi-Surface Mop Kit for Floor Cleaning, Fresh Scent. Mopping kit includes Power Mop, 2 mopping pad refills, 1 floor cleaning solution with fresh scent and 2 batteries. The Swiffer Power Mop is one of the most recognizable floor cleaning tools in the US, especially for buyers who value speed, convenience, and minimal effort. Unlike traditional mops or spin mop systems, the Power Mop is battery-powered, lightweight, and ready to use right out of the box. That makes it a natural fit for busy American households where time is limited and floors need frequent cleaning. What this product is best known for in the US market is its hands-free motorized scrubbing combined with disposable or refillable cleaning pads. The included cleaning solution has a fresh scent that leaves floors smelling clean, which appeals to buyers who want their home to feel freshly cleaned without the hassle of mixing detergents or handling heavy buckets of water. In everyday American use, the Power Mop shines in quick cleanups after cooking, where crumbs or spills accumulate on hardwood, tile, or laminate floors. Apartment cleaning where storage is limited and you don't want to keep a large mop and bucket. Families with kids or pets, where spills happen frequently. People who want to avoid bending over and physically scrubbing the floor. The biggest strengths include speed, convenience, and multi-surface versatility. You can move from the kitchen to the living room with minimal effort. The included batteries power the mop for enough cleaning time to handle most rooms in a typical U.S. home. The disposable cleaning pads reduce cleanup time, and the pre-mixed cleaning solution is easy to use and smells pleasant. However, there are trade-offs. Because it's battery-powered, you'll need to replace batteries periodically. The cleaning pads are disposable, so recurring costs are higher than a traditional mop. Additionally, it's not designed for deep carpet cleaning or tackling really stubborn dirt, it's more of a surface maintenance tool. Number 4. Homeowners Mop and Bucket with Ringer Set for Home, Flat Mop and Bucket System, mops for floor cleaning and wall cleaner, with 3 reusable microfiber mop pads. The Homeowners Mop and Bucket System is a more traditional approach to floor cleaning, but it comes with practical upgrades like a flat mop head, reusable microfiber pads, and a Ringer bucket system. In the US, it's popular with buyers who want eco-friendly, reusable cleaning options while still benefiting from a bucket-based spin system. What this system is best known for is cost-effective cleaning with reusable pads. You're not buying disposable pads constantly, which appeals to American buyers concerned about long-term costs and sustainability. In real-world use, the Homeowners works well for apartment or home floors made of hardwood, tile, or laminate. Kitchens and bathrooms where spills need frequent attention. Users who want a simple cleaning system without the need for batteries or electricity. Strengths include reusability, simplicity, and a flat mop design that easily reaches under furniture. The Ringer bucket keeps floors from getting overly wet, protecting sensitive surfaces. With 3 reusable microfiber pads included, you can rotate them during the week to save time. The downsides? It's manual, so it still requires some effort compared to battery-powered options like the Swiffer Power Mop. The flat mop may also struggle with extremely stubborn dirt or textured floors. Best for US buyers who want an eco-friendly, reusable solution. Prefer a traditional mop experience with minimal ongoing costs. Clean regularly and don't mind a bit of manual effort. Number 5. Electric Spin Scrubber, Cordless Shower Scrubber with Battery Level Display, 2 speeds electric scrubber for cleaning with 6 replaceable heads, cleaning brush for bathroom sink window. This product is part of a growing category in the US, cordless, electric scrubbing tools for bathrooms, kitchens, and other hard surfaces. Unlike mops, it's designed for scrubbing stubborn grime on tubs, tiles, sinks, or even windows. It's best known for its cordless convenience, battery display, and multiple interchangeable heads. For US households, it's ideal when you want to tackle soap scum, grout stains, or kitchen spills without bending over or using harsh manual scrubbing. Real-world use includes bathrooms with tile or grout buildup, kitchen backsplashes and counters, hard-to-reach corners and sinks, small apartments or homes where a compact, cordless scrubber saves time. Strengths: 2-speed electric motor reduces manual effort. 6 replaceable brush heads for different surfaces. Cordless operation allows freedom of movement. Compact and easy to store. That wraps up our review of the 5 best spring cleaning tools to help you tackle your home more efficiently. Each one is designed for a different type of job, so it really comes down to what areas you want to clean faster and easier. If one of these tools stood out, check the links in the description for more details. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.